Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today also I came with another video. Today my topic is medical system refrigerator. This refrigerator actually the now earlier having some issue. Now already I repaired that one. Now I'm going to make the video for you how to setting this refrigerator, also how to use this one, and we will go to the next step. Now you can see the model here, B, that is brand medical system, voltage to 220, 240 and 50-60 Hz, 200 watts. Also model wise this is L130. Now I will show you this one. This is the door lock, this one door key. This one after locking you are not able to open the door. This is the main switch, actually power. Continuously you can keep it off, and this one normally we have to keep it on. If you turn this one 0, it will off. That means this one having inbuilt battery pack. After getting power shut down, also at the same time the display will work. You can understand what is the temperature, inner temperature and everything. Now this is the main display, PCB display. Also here this one indicator, it is the power on already. That's been 230, 240 power. This is actually previous history alarm. If it is alarm occurring continuously, it will come like that, but when you turn it off and switch on at the same time, it will go off. This is the connection for the internet. This is the alarm, mute and start this one. Now I will show you, this is the menu button. This is menu. While I'm pressing this one, I will show you. Now one time I will press, it will come model. This is the model L130 model. Now again I will press. Now it will come TSH. This is TSH mean actually time setting hour. Now the time is almost 5:15. Now I'm keeping here. I will increase up to 17. That's mean it will come now 17. After that we can press here setting OK. Now again I will go for, now it came TSM. TSM mean time set in minutes. That's mean now 14. I will go, yes, after that we can set like that, and again I will go for, now this is the time set in day, date set in year. This one date set in year. This is I will press here. This is 2026. 26, yes. Now again it will come DSM. That's mean time set in month. This is now month is 6. It is okay. Now time set in date. DSD mean time, the date set in date set in date. Today is okay, today is 4. Now it is Celsius or Fahrenheit. I am keeping same Celsius. Now this is set temperature I kept. It is maximum, that's minimum actually. That mean we can select only the 4 only, no more than that, but we can increase up to like that, but I am keeping again it is 4. And this is HAL mean high alarm. That one I already kept set 10. That's mean 10 degrees Celsius. If it is goes more than 10, it's alarm, it will start to alarm. Now I'm keeping 10. Also low alarm I'm keeping here. It is I'm keeping 2. Yes, I'm keeping 2. And this one, now it came already to the display L00, that's mean logo light. We can keep it off. You can see here it is no. Oh yes, I'm keeping yes. That's mean it is logo light already. You can see here it is working. If you no need this one, you can close. Now I will go for the MUD. This one MUD mean actually the mute duration, how long alarm sound stay off. This is the mode. Now I'm keeping here this one 20. I'm keeping 20. Also DAD mean do alarm delay. I'm keeping here, it's already 60, that's mean 1 minute, and I'm selecting here up to 30. This do alarm will come, I will keep 20. Yes dear, I already kept 20. This one you can keep here the data export. DAT mean data export, export temperature history. You can take here all the history to the from the USB. This is the USB port, and this one actually it's not most important, but here in the hospital, any lab, you can keep it yes. Again I will show you. This one already kept no, but I'm not able to select. This is only the no. I'm keeping like that same, and after that I will go for SAR. That's mean remote alarm, general, related to remote alarm. This one I'm keeping 5. You can see here this is DAT. It is, we are not able to select. It is in that is by default it will come in. DAT mean actually data export temperature history to USB. Whatever all the history you can take from this to USB. After that, whatever you can check, if it is any medical medicine damage, you can understand what time it's already got damage. It is like that history. But that is not important with this one. I will go for the next. Now this is SAR. SAR mean sampling rate. This is how often record temperature 1 to 3 minutes. That one also we can keep 1. It is, we are not able to do any selections. Also ADR mean address for networking for remote monitorization system. ADR also we cannot do anything, and I will go for the next. RSF, that's mean remote system failure alarm. Enable to remote alarm for error. Also I kept it is yes. We can keep it no also, but I am keeping this one yes. Sorry, RSF I am keeping yes. Now this is ROD. This is ROD. That means remote open door alarm. That one I'm thinking I already explained to you. Anyway, it is already I kept yes. After selecting it, I kept already yes. This is RAR, that means remote alarm. General, related to remote alarm. Also we can keep yes or not. I'm keeping yes. And if I'm go for the, yeah, I think now I already select all the options. This one according to the manual. Anyway, now you know how to this one yes or not. Upside two button. This is menu. Now here you can see I will open the door. This is the evaporator, also evaporator fan. You can see here. This is a rack. This one door not available. It is double door gasket. If it is this gasket damaged, anywhere damaged, its temperature it will come high. At the same time alarm will start. You can see here it is already came high. It is alarm already start to work. This is the actually it is if I'm explain to you how to use and how to select the menu and all, I think you got my point, and how you now you know how to select whatever as per your requirement. And my explanation is now already completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thank you again.